Right, well, we're wandering around and we've just bumped into Christine and Alan. Say hello.
Hello.
That's Jenny's sister and brother-in-law. They're the Autotrail Owners Club. So, yeah, so we bumped into them, so we're nicking their cans of pop. And just
not really pop.
take the opportunity to chill out for a minute. Yeah, Autotrail Owners Club, so if you've got an Autotrail, yeah, join them. I would recommend them, but with Chris and Alan, can't say a lot. And
Only £16 a year.
£16 a year, well.
Pretty good. 70 rallies available.
70 rallies available, well, keep selling it.
Six rallies in Europe and 7 show rallies, I think, this year for 2023. Very, very, very good, reasonable prices. Much cheaper than paying for a pitch on the site.
Can we bring our transit?
Lots of activities. No, I'm really sorry. You've got to have an auto trail.
Yeah, well, I'm going to put the sticker on the back.
Don't think that will get away with that.
Nah, it's all right. We know the vice chairman. We'll be all right.
We'll just go in a corner somewhere. They won't know.
Won't they? 30th anniversary coming up. Yes.
Yeah. Go back. Yeah. No, I was gonna...
All the Autotrails are here, but
nice auto trails.
they are gorgeous. But whoa, hang on, Christine's going to show us something.
30th anniversary.
Oh,
Lots of activities.
Newbury Agricultural Showground.
Looks fun.
And they've got Abba Chic. Ah,
Lots of entertainment, free food.
free food?
Yeah.
Well, we're going.
We're going.
Yeah. I will buy that sticker.
Well, they've got 4 beds. They just sleep in there.
Yeah.
They were an auto trail. I mean,
Autotrail.
Oh, sorry.
Where'd you get the auto trailer from?
I don't know. We
are allowed guests.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there you go. If you've got an auto trail, come and join them.
They're in 3A.
They're in 3A, but this video, by the time we get this up, the show will be over, so they'll still look online.
That is true.
What's the website address, Christine?
www.atop
No, that. Oh my God.
.com.
So it's
www.atocuk.com.
Right. I'll see if I can put a link in the video because
That's probably a good idea.
for a former teacher, yeah, she's terrible. But there we go.